Good morning. Okay, I'm fixing to do lunch for my husband when he gets home. He wanted pork chops. We're gonna do this in 3 videos. We're gonna do mashed potatoes first, then we're gonna do pork chops, and then I'll turn it off and we'll do another video. We'll do gravy. And I bought him these when we went to store because they're still really soft. So can't beat it for $1.23. All right, let's get started. This is why I'm doing the mashed potato one, because I don't think I have a video for mashed potatoes in an Instant Pot. We're gonna do that. Take the lid off. I've gotten 6 medium-sized mashed potatoes here, but I got a little bit too much water on them. Let me pour some of the water off. Okay, that's good. All right. Now I have peeled, washed, and cut. It doesn't matter. You could actually put the whole potato in there. Doesn't matter, but you want to kind of get them even, so they've got a little water in them. We're gonna save that bowl to do them in. I'm gonna do a little salt. We'll salt them at the end again. I just want to get the potato done. You season them however you want, however you feel comfortable, and we'll do all this whenever it gets done. Okay, I locked it. It's in the sealing position, not venting. Venting on mine is forward. Sealing is back, so it's just wiggly loose. And I'm gonna do high pressure, and I want to take this down to 7 minutes, start, and I'll bring you back and we'll do the next step after this. Okay, I'm back. It's been 7 minutes. I'm going to release the pressure myself. I'm going to turn it off and release the pressure. And I want to stop the cooking process. I have here a tablespoon of butter, and I'm going to put a little sour cream in it. Just regular whole sour cream, just a touch. All right, pin drop. Take this off. Put this in the sink. Get my towel. I want to see how much water is in them. I'm going to put my knob of butter in here. And I'm going to take and drain the water off in my bowl. Till I get them done, I want to see if I need any more water. Just watch me, you'll see. All right. I'm going to move that water over. I'm going to set my pressure cooker right there. I'm just going to put a teaspoon sour cream in. I'm going to put that spoon now. I'm going to use it to taste them. Oh, Lord. Not sure if you can see me. They just mash up now. They smell really good with the sour cream. And he likes his. He doesn't like them too creamy. He likes them with lumps in them. So we're not going to mash them to death. I see. They're done. Let's see how they taste. I do need a pinch of salt. Just a pinch. But I don't put too much because he'll resalt them. Now let me pour this out. You always want to save your water in case you, your starchy water in case you need to add it to it. In this case, I left a little in there. And this was, again, 6 medium washed and rough chopped russet potatoes. Give you an up close look of them. Took 7 minutes. And you can do as many as you want. I have done a whole pot whenever I had a crowd. Well, I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Love you.